We're in Dairyland. Eh, Dairyland Island. So we have reached the gardens now. We're gonna go to the castle soon. There we have a greenhouse. You all know I like gardens, right? It's Granville Gardens. There's the castle there in the background. So we're here in the gardens exploring. This is like the first level of the gardens. I just made the rounds. Look at this little cottage house. Isn't it cute? There we see the castle in the background. This is some type of fruit. I can't tell what fruit it is from here. and they don't really have labels. Oh, it looks like an apple. It looks like an apple, y'all. This is one cute little cottage. I like it. What do y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Here we have some tulips on the ground here, growing. Lettuce. No, I don't know if this is cabbage. I think this is cabbage. Man, I'm in love with this little cottage. I mean, not that I want one, but yeah, I like it. Okay, as we leave the greenhouse and this first level of the garden, we are gonna go up the stairway. Look at these. So we're gonna go up the stairway here to see what it has up this way. I need to watch my step because everything is not leveled here. So we have just come up the stairway here and we have a lawn area, and I think they call this like a jupa. I don't know what they call it here, but probably has a different name. But in my country, I think it's a jupa. They call this like a little covering here, shelter. So we're going in the garden tree. Another one here. Look at that view in distance. Wow. Look at that view. So steep walk. They're saying it there's a steep walk, so they're telling you to be careful. Is this gate locked? It looks locked. Please close the gate. I don't know what it have in there, and I don't think I want to see. I don't know if I'll be going in there. I don't know why the gate was closed. I am curious enough to see, but I want to follow the trail first. I don't know if I have enough time. So you have to be careful walking down this area here. And let's see what it has down here. They're saying this is a garden trail also. Let's go this way first before we make detours. I want to see the view. all the gates are closed. Like, I don't know which direction to go in because the gates are closed, yo. They're closing back all the gates. Please close the gate. All of them saying, please close the gate. I feel like if the view that I was looking at disappeared as I came through here. Strange, right? Where did it go? Anyway, I hope I'm not boring y'all, and I hope y'all are enjoying this little adventure today. I really hope these persons take their time, and I don't want anything to happen. Don't endanger themselves in this store. Lord, protect. So I saw someone like a wedge heel, and I'm like, what are you doing in a wedge heel? In my mind, like, but I'm thinking I want to go up these stairs. Viewpoint Trail, 1.5 miles. Okay, this is where I am, Lord, y'all. This is the view. I want to go down in that track there to see if I can see it better. But I think this is nice. I think I want to go back to the castle now. I don't know what I will see down there if I go. I don't know if it's going to be nicer in any way, but here's cute, right? Here's beautiful, like a puzzle piece. Not like a puzzle piece, like a jigsaw puzzle. Yeah. So, y'all, I look at my background. Isn't she gorgeous? I don't know if it's the lake or the sea that I'm seeing there, but my surroundings, nature, this nature park is so clear air. The clear air is so gorgeous right now. I'm enjoying every part of it. I hope that you all are enjoying this vlog. I have to watch where I'm going now because I don't want to fall. So I will watch forward and stop watching the camera. Okay, so we have cut down the little track, and now we're gonna see what it has here. People probably kayak here. It looks like a kayaking kind of area, although it's barred off. But it's well kept. But they say if you want a picnic here. So again, today I'm in Ireland. I'm hearing all different kind of birds and sounds while I walk here in the wild. To me, here does not look friendly. I'm just here for the view. Okay? So I walked all here just for you all to see. But it sounds like water is underneath me. Can you hear that? And I'm rhyming.